this access hatch. Very handy. You gotta lower the tank though, because this area here, when you do your holes, you don't want to hit the tank. You know what I'm saying? So you want to lower your tank with a jack, and you want to get do drill holes, and then use your saw, go around. See if you see how close the tank gets to this on this corner right here. So even now, when I put my sheet metal back, I am not going to put any screws in this area at all. I'm just going to put here, 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 and there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do silicone. This basically keep this plate in place along with the sheet metal screws. But you got to make sure you mark it all out and carefully. But it does make it very much easier to work on this car, especially when you have fuel line issues or fuel pump or whatever it could be.